Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original. Duplicate the background and work on that copy so you can revert if needed. Next, isolate the text precisely. Use the lasso for loose shapes, the pen for exact edges, or a rectangular marquee for boxes. Feather slightly, around 0. 5 to 3 pixels to blend. Once selected, open Content Aware, fill and choose a sampling area. This tells Photoshop where to pull background texture from, which is crucial for a seamless fill. Now refine how Photoshop fills that selection. Switch to the sampling brush and paint to exclude areas with other elements. You want only the correct background texture sampled. Then tweak color adaptation, rotation adaptation, and scale in the Content Aware panel so patterns and gradients match. Small changes make a big difference. Once satisfied, output to a new layer so you can mask or blend further without harming the work layer. This gives you rollback options and finer control. Finally, inspect the area at 100% zoom and fix remaining issues. Use the clone stamp at about 50 to 80% opacity, sampling adjacent clean texture often so you don't introduce repeats. This fixes structure. For tiny spots, run the spot healing or patch tool to remove artifacts quickly. If you notice seams, add a layer mask and gently paint with a soft, low-opacity brush to blend transitions. If things still look off, resample a different area or undo, and try a different sampling shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.